Hi everybody, my name is Fu Li. In this lesson, you are going to learn 7 Chinese characters and the words, phrases, and sentences made up of these characters. Besides, you will also learn about 5 new strokes and the 4th way of creating Chinese characters. Let's learn 4 pictographic characters first. This character is 马. The ancient form of 马 was made by outlining the rough shape of a horse. So 马 means horse. 马 is written with 3 strokes. 横折, 竖折折钩, 横. 竖折折钩 is a new compound stroke and need to be written in 1 stroke. Let's learn a word. 木马. One meaning of 木 is wood. 马 means horse. The real meaning of 木马 is hobby horse. This character is 门. The ancient form of 门 is like this. It looks like a double-leaf door. So the meaning of 门 is door or gate. 门 is written with 3 strokes. 点 should be written first, then 竖 and 横折钩. Let's learn a word. 大门. 大 means big. 门 is door or gate. The meaning of 大门 is large door or main gate, depending on the context. This character is 口. The ancient form of 口 was made by outlining the rough shape of an open mouth. So 口 means mouth, but it also means entrance. 口 is written with 3 strokes. 竖, 横折, and 横. Let's learn a word. 门口. 门 is door. One meaning of 口 is entrance. The real meaning of 门口 is doorway. This character is 我, and this is the ancient form of this character. It was made to represent a weapon, but the meaning of the character 我 had changed. Now it means I or me. Let's see how to write 我. 撇, 横, 竖钩, 提, 斜钩, 撇, 点. There is a new basic stroke in this character, which is 提. In lesson 2, I mentioned that there are 6 basic strokes in Chinese characters. We have learned 5 of them, which are 横, 竖, 撇, 捺, 点. 提 is the last one, and it needs to be written from the bottom left to the top right. It looks like the stroke 撇, but 撇 should be written from the top to lower left. You can see that these 2 strokes are written in almost opposite direction. There are 2 new compound strokes in this character, which are 竖钩 and 斜钩. They should be written in 1 stroke. We have learned some pictographic characters, indicative characters, and associative characters. Next, we are going to learn some pictophonetic characters. A pictophonetic character usually has two parts. One part gives a clue to the possible meaning the character might be related to. The other part can help you guess how to read the character. Most Chinese characters are pictophonetic characters, which compose of a meaning part and a sound part. Let's look at this character. This character is ma. Ma means mom. The component on the left is 女, which means female. It tells us the meaning of this character is related to female. The component on the right is 马. It tells us the sound of this character is similar to the sound of the character 马. You can see 马 and 妈 share the same initial and final, but their tones are different. This character is 问, which means ask. The component 门 is the sound part. 门 and 问 share the same final, but their initials and tones are different. The component 口 is the meaning part and means mouth. The characters with the component 口 are usually related to mouth or speaking. This character is 饿. 饿 means hungry. The component on the left is the meaning part. It is not a character by itself, but is a common component which relates to food, and can be used to form many other food-related characters. The component on the right is the sound part. It's read as 我, but the character is 饿. So you can see the sound part 我 doesn't give any useful information to help you pronounce the character 饿. I mentioned that most Chinese characters are pictophonetic characters, but the sound parts of many pictophonetic characters no longer provide clues to the pronunciation of the whole character, because the pronunciation of many characters has changed so much since ancient times. Therefore, you cannot always pronounce a pictophonetic character based on its sound part. Let's write these characters. 妈 撇点 撇 横 横折 竖折折钩 横 问 点 竖 横折钩 竖 横折 横 饿 撇 横钩 竖提 撇 横 竖钩 提 斜钩 撇 点 Please pay attention. There is a new compound stroke in this character, which is 竖提. 竖提 should be written in one stroke. Now please pause your video and try to read some words, phrases, and sentences for yourself. Let's read them together. 妈妈 Mom. The second ma in this word should be pronounced as neutral tone. 我妈妈 means my mom. 好妈妈 means good mom. 明天我问妈妈 literally means tomorrow I ask mom. I will ask mom tomorrow. 我 饿 literally means I hungry. So the meaning is I'm hungry. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.